Road trip ready? Protect your car and your wallet. Summer is road trip season, and whether you're heading to the beach, the mountains, or just a few towns over, your car insurance should be as ready as you are.
You bet.
Here's a quick checklist to make sure you're covered, especially if your road trip takes you out of state. If you cause an accident, your liability coverage pays for the other driver's medical bills and vehicle repairs. But is your limit high enough? With the cost of medical care and car repairs these days, state minimums often fall short. A serious accident can easily cost more than your base coverage, leaving you personally responsible for the rest. Consider bumping up your liability limits before a long trip. It's usually more affordable than you think and can make a huge difference if the unexpected happens. Some other out-of-state considerations. Your liability coverage will follow you, but coverage limits can vary by state, so make sure you have enough to meet the highest possible requirements along your route. Comprehensive coverage protects you from things like theft or vandalism, flood and fire damage, falling trees or debris. Your collision coverage pays to repair or replace your car if you hit another vehicle or object, regardless of who's at fault. Make sure your deductibles match what you can actually afford to pay out of pocket if something happens on the road. Roadside assistance. You got a flat tire, dead battery, locked your keys in the car. Roadside assistance can be your lifesaver. It will typically cover your towing, flat tire changes, battery jumps, lockout services. If you have coverage already through a company like AAA, make sure you know how to use it. Download the app or save the number in your phone before you leave. Some other out-of-state considerations. Check if your roadside assistance plan covers you across state lines or has distance limits for towing. Breaking down far from home can be expensive without the right coverage. And rental car coverage? If your car is in the shop after an accident, rental car coverage can keep you moving. Check your policies to see if this is included and consider adding it if you'll be far from home for a while. Some policies have limits on where they will cover rentals. Make sure yours includes out-of-state coverage if you're crossing state lines. Review your policy and keep your ID cards handy. Finally, let's make sure your insurance cards are up to date and stored in your glove box or phone. If you've moved recently, your rate might need an update based on your new zip code or driving habits. Some states actually require physical proof of insurance if you're pulled over, so keep a paper copy on hand just in case. Are you ready to hit the road? Let's make sure your insurance is too. Call one of our trusted insurance advisors today at 727-748-2886 to review your coverage before you get on the road. We'll help make sure you're protected no matter where the road takes you.